Hello, I'm Ken, the chef for Saval Food Service. Today we're going to talk about the Saval family recipe Italian pork roast. It comes fully seasoned and cooked, frozen in a case of 3 4-pound average pieces. It is ready to eat after slacking and slices nicely for sandwiches, or can be shredded and heated with chilies as a taco or tamale stuffing. Today I have used the roast in a plate on the Philadelphia roast pork hoagie. We started by making a pork broth with miner's base, thinly sliced garlic, and crushed red pepper flakes. This will be used to heat the pork through and reheat the broccoli rabe to top the sandwich. Next, we open the Amorosa roll and line with smoked provolone. Bake until roll is golden and cheese is melted. Then we place the hot roasted pork in the roll and top with warmed broccoli rabe. And that's it. You could also serve with a side of pork broth for dipping, and at around 310 to put on the plate, your operators could have a hot Philly pork that is real easy to make and profitable. Enjoy.